When we think about plastic pollution, most of us imagine piles of big chunks of plastic in some remote corner of the world. In reality, however, a dangerous part of plastic pollution is microplastic in groundwater. This is an issue because that microplastic-filled groundwater becomes polluted drinking water for local communities. We took samples from local bodies of water and analyzed them under a microscope. What we found was that microplastic is unnervingly widespread and poses a serious threat to our health and well-being. To raise awareness and educate others about this issue, we have created a 3D model of a cave with plastic and photos inside to represent the microplastic we found in groundwater. We started with the central idea of this project: plastic. To keep old plastic bottles from going to a landfill, we gathered them to use them as material. We then cut the bottles into more manageable pieces and covered them in paper mache. When the pieces were dry, we connected them to form a typical cave-like shape. By this point, the outer layer was finished, so we moved on to making a support structure in order for the cave to stand on its own. We used the same material to create a bridge-shaped reinforcement. Now the structure was sturdy enough, so we moved on to covering it with an old cloth to make it look more realistic. Next, we moved on to coloring it and setting up the scene by adding old miscellaneous pieces of plastic, images, and similar props. We set up an underground body of water in the cave. To the human eye, the water looks clean, but a microscope is able to zoom in and uncover microplastic hidden in it, effectively making the invisible visible. Microplastic has long been visible to scientists, but it is only through creative means, such as our cave model, that microplastic in groundwater is finally made visible to the public eye too.